provide 2 reset method. First method, hard reset via recovery mode. Second method, reset from Google Find My device. Before reset your Android phone, keep your mobile safe. Make sure the battery is properly charged before resetting your mobile. If less than 50%, charge your mobile. You need to make sure that the data on your device is backed up so you do not lose valuable photos or documents. Delete all your mobile data, so remove SIMs and SD card. First, power off your mobile, holding the power button. Next, hold down the volume up button and power button. When you see the Fastboot Mode on your screen, release all the buttons. Then, select recovery mode and using volume buttons to select and press the power button to confirm. Next, wait recovery mode shows up. After that, choose clear data and clear all data. Then, select OK if you want clear all your data. Then, select return and go back to the main menu. After that, select restart and confirm that. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Hard reset with Google Find My device. This is the best method to reset your Android phone remotely. This method useful when you lose your phone or not able to access your mobile. This method also deletes all your Android phone data. After your device has been erased, you can't locate it. You can only use this method if you already added Gmail account to your phone and having an active internet connection. If your device is offline, erasing will begin when it next comes online. Take another phone or PC and open any browser. After that, visit Google Find My device. I will provide link in description. Check description to get more information. Sign in using the Google login credentials which I used on your phone. After login, there will be 3 different options: Play Sound, Secure Device and Erased Device. Now click on Erased Device option 2 times. Again enter the email and password. Next, you will see Erase Device menu. Then tap on the Erase option. Well done, you are successfully reset your mobile. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you for watching. Please, like, share, comment.